experience natin, try natin.
Oh, dito.
Right hand.
Yeah.
You got one?
Yoni, wag ka dyan, anak.
No, not too close, anak.
Daddy, pull!
Yan.
Yes, Dad, pull!
Yoni, look.
Ay, meron siya. Oh, ang laki.
Malaking isa.
Malaki ito. Oh, yan. Masukin ito eh.
Ano mo?
You think so?
Paano hindi ka
Hindi mo pa, hindi ka ba ano?
Dito.
Yung
Is that a female?
Is it?
That's a male.
Oh, here.
That's a
It's a
male.
grabbing.
Yeah, you can
It's
also
a
get.
male.
Yeah,
It's a
you can only
male.
get a male.
No,
You
that's a
cannot get
male.
female.
Grabbing experience, laki oh.
It's a male. It's a male. We got a male.
Ito kukunin mo to, ito ibabalik.
Isukay ko muna.
Ah,
Oh, no, Frank, we don't need a picture.
Parang mukhang okay nga siya.
Oh my god. He's dead.
the red rock.
Let's grab some. The good one. Crocodiles got a lot of crabs. Put it out! Dad!
Yung isa.
What's that? Dad, is that a male or a female?
Sukat. Ayan, parang
I think
mapasok
it's a
yan.
male.
Saan ang
Yes,
dulo-dulo?
Yeah,
pwede.
yes.
Dulo-dulo.
Ah!
Yan, go. Ito, maliit.
Ayan.
Pwede na yan.
Pwede na.
Pwede na rin?
Pwede.
Oh, wow.
4 inches lang.
Yeah, they're fighting.
Wow, Yanni, you're so blessed.
Yeah, because we experienced this.
Ah! Wait, that's a male.
Another
Yeah, you can only catch a male. You cannot
grabe,
catch female.
priceless experience to crabbing in Canada, first time. Rock and roll. And Kuya, ano name mo ulit? Chrome, the experience with Kuya Chrome from Antique, Pinoy. Yan,
Yes.
naman niya tayo mag-crabbing.
Just so nice to share with us.
Yeah, blessing experience. Thank you, Lord.
Then you,
Ito, ibabalik natin, di ba?
Babalik yan.
yeah,
kasi maliit.
ibalibag mo lang dyan. Kasi
Oh!
hindi ka-